Hello guys, so this is how I fix Infinix Hot 30i power problem. The phone is charging, it will show charging and it will be increasing, but the phone is not turning on. I discovered the problem is from the power IC because the phone fell down and it has some internal crack which disconnect the connection from the power button to the power IC. So this problem require to remove the power IC and run a jumper wire connection from the power IC to the power button. This is a very delicate job which require a lot of skill and tools to do it. I've removed the power IC, flatten the power pad under the power IC, then starting the jumper wire connection. This is a time-consuming process which require you to be very patient because you may end up breaking the line, so you have to pay attention and a lot of patience. So after soldering the wire, so I have to secure it with UV ink so that the wire will not be messing around, end up breaking. So that is the UV ink which I have to dry it up with the UV light. So I do this from the both side to secure the wire so that it will stay in place. After we replace the power IC, the line will not end up breaking, so we have to secure it from multiple points, and this is what I've been doing. You see, that is the UV ink. Then I have to dry up with the UV light, so I have to do this at multiple points to make sure the line is very secure and stay in place. So this is the other side of the motherboard. I have to do the same thing with the line. While doing it, I have to be very careful the line doesn't cut. So this is what I've been doing. You see, I'm doing it with care and gentle. So you have to take your time to do this. This is not a thing you have to be in haste or something, so you have to take your time to do it. You see, the line is very thin, and the line is 0.02 mm, and you can also use 0.01 mm, but this wire I'm using is 0.02 mm, so it's a very thin line. And to do this, you need a microscope. You have to do it under a microscope, otherwise it won't be very easy, and at the end of the day you will give up because it will be too difficult to do, because it is a very microscopic component. So this is the last point, and I'm not soldering the wire directly to the power button, but I'm soldering it to the resistor that is connected directly to the power button. So, and that is the resistor you see I'm soldering the wire to. So that's the last point. You see, this is the resistor. This resistor is connected directly to the power button. So I have to clean it after I soldered the wire. So now the wire has been soldered, the line has been return to normal reading now. So now I have to return the power IC. So meanwhile, the power IC has been reballed and ready to be reinstalled. So to to save time, so I have to cut that part because it's a very long process to rebulb IC, clean it up and make it ready to reinstall. So, and in other videos you'll be able to see those things. So you can see the bubble under the IC, so that means the thing is melted and soldered. So this is the connection for the jumper wire. So you can Google that, so you will see the connection, and this is how I run the connection. And now this is the truth, this is the moment of the truth. So after I solder the power IC, so I have to check and see if the power button have the correct reading, and it does have the correct reading. So now I will test the phone and see if the thing is working now. I'm connecting all the connectors. Okay, and wow, the phone is working now. Wow, I'm very happy. And of course, it's a special moment for every technician after a successful work done. Wow. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and follow for more videos.